This is a video of a pedal assembly that I bought from Socal Imports, SocalAutoparts.com. I want to return it. The manager was very didn't believe me that I didn't take it apart, because I told her I don't think it was rebuilt, and this is why. They said all the bushings were replaced, but let's see, get that lined up on the 7, close enough. I'm supposed to put that in my car. Let's see if I can get a good measurement. There's a 7. It has, oops, it has a 1/4 inch, more than a 1/4 inch of wobble in it. As to where mine barely has anything. And then this clutch pedal is super wobbly. Mine is not. I told her that my core was better than the part that she gave me, or they gave me. This channel literally was filled with grease or dirt that was painted over. I had to scratch it out to even get this roller pedal to fit in there. And then when I went to put the pin inside of it, the pin just falls out. It doesn't fit. So I then again have to go back to mine. You can see right down in there, there's dirt that's just painted over. There's rust coming through on it. Not really showing up in the camera, but there's rust all in between there. Mine has the pedal stop. This one does not. Spring's got rust coming through it. There's a rust in there, which, yeah, it's a rebuilt part. It's gonna happen, but they're trying to tell me that everything was reconditioned when it obviously was not.